In today's video, I will teach you how to design eye-catching posters using PicMonkey. Let's get started. First, you have to make a blank canvas with the standard size of a poster. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Blank Canvas. Here, you can choose from a wide variety of canvas size presets for every social media posts and prints. The standard size for posters is 11 by 17 inches, 18 by 24 inches, 24 by 36 inches, and 27 by 40 inches. Now, just click the Make It button to open your blank canvas on the editor. You can also start with a completely customizable template to make the design part easier for you. To do this, go to PicMonkey's homepage, click the Edit New Image button, and select Templates. This will open up PicMonkey's editor with the Templates tab open. You will see thousands of free and customizable poster templates to choose from. Simply type in the keyword poster. Once you've decided which template to use, you can use PicMonkey's easy-to-use design tools, graphics, images, and text to make an eye-catching poster. To add graphics, simply go to the sidebar and open the Graphics tab. Here, you can choose from thousands of graphics elements in PicMonkey's graphics library. The graphics are neatly categorized so that you can find specific graphics elements easier. But if you would like to be more specific, you can simply type in the keyword on the search bar to find the exact graphics element that you're looking for. To customize your graphics, simply select the graphics element that you wish to edit, and a new set of editing tools will appear on the sidebar. Here, you have the option to change the color of the element and even turn it into gradient. You also have the option to add shadows, outlines, and fill your graphics element with an image. To upload your image to PicMonkey, simply press the Add Photo or Video button. Then select the source of your file. Now, you can simply click on the uploaded image and it will automatically appear on your canvas. To add text to your poster, simply go to the sidebar and open the Text tab. Here, you can either use PicMonkey's text presets to make designing easier for you, or you can add your own text box if you have a specific design in mind. You can change the font style, size, color, and alignment at the sidebar as well. Now, make sure that the text and graphics layers are arranged accordingly, especially if you're using multiple text and graphics layers. To manage the layers, go to the Layers panel at the right side of the editor or click the Layers button at the bottom right side of the editor if the panel is not visible. And here, you can move the layers up and down depending on how visible you would like them to be. Take note that the uppermost layers are going to be at the foreground of your design, and the bottommost layers are going to be at the background of your canvas. Now, just play around with your design until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now download it to your computer or share it to your social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.